In this video, we will learn how to copy and paste a quote window or history window from your MarketView desktop over to your Excel spreadsheet. We'll first begin with a quote window. Just put your cursor anywhere inside your quote window and do a right mouse click. You get a pop-up window there, and then just click on Copy All. Once you're done there, go over to your Excel spreadsheet and put your cursor anywhere on your spreadsheet you want to put the data at. And then just on your keyboard, do Control V as in Victor to paste. And there you have it. Once you see the asterisk in Excel, that means that the software connected to our servers. So now this will update automatically going forward. You can easily adjust the column width of your data. And once you have the data in Excel, in case you want to make any changes on your quote screen there, just put your cursor on the asterisk and go to your MarketView tab and click on quote to add or delete symbols or make changes to your fields there. I'm going to open up a new spreadsheet there. And now let's copy and paste over a nice history window. So going back to our history window in the MarketView desktop, anywhere in there, just do a right mouse click, click on Copy All, and then go back to your Excel spreadsheet and again put your cursor wherever you want to put the data at in your spreadsheet, and then just press Control V as in Victor on your keyboard to paste it in there. Again, once you see the asterisk in Excel, it means it connects to our servers. So now you can easily make changes to your historic spreadsheet by putting your cursor again on the asterisk, going over to your MarketView tab and clicking on history to add more data or to make changes to your spreadsheet there. Everything you do in the MarketView Excel spreadsheet is saved locally to your PC. So any change you make, it'll be saved locally to your computer. Other than that, you're good to go. Thank you for watching.